In this video we are going to make papercut effect using Adobe Illustrator. Alright, let's jump in and do it. Let's just get our screen all looking the same so you can follow along easily. So first just got up to window, down here to workspaces. Make sure your selected option is automation and click on reset automation. Okay, now we don't need this tab, also this tab. Just open layers tab and appearance tab. To start making this effect, we are going to use type tool. When you're ready with your text or letter, now I am going to go and outline it. Simply go on type and select create outlines, or you can also use shortcut. Hit Ctrl+T on your keyboard and just adjust the letter जेव्हापर्यंत तुमच्या आत्म्याला शांती मिळत नाही. Now we are going to do some drawing. I am going to use pencil tool, but you can also use curvature or pen tool. Okay, just double click on the pencil tool. The smoothing is at really high and just copy my setting. It doesn't really matter what color you pick now. Just make sure fill is empty. So after selecting stroke color, I am going to start drawing from the outside end. It's totally up to you. Now just follow me. Now I have got some loopy things. It's going to become in and out. There is a lot of work that goes into. Actually, it's kind of guessing what it's going to look at the end. It made me look like I am pretty good with my mouse here. So that's the first level. I'm going to draw another one. So now select different color for stroke. I'm going with green. So this is going to be like picking in around this in and out a little bit, but it's kind of next level down. Whatever you decide how many levels you are going to do, we did 3 in this case. Now change the stroke color for third level. I'm going with blue and let's go speedy version. Now draw a rectangle above the things you want to by using rectangle tool. Now just fill it by any color. Now we need 3 more rectangles, so use Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for paste. So I have got 4 rectangles. Alright, now fill color in it. For that, just copy my hash code. First one is orange. This time we are going with sky blue. For third rectangle we are going to use green. And here is the last one. Now just select 4 rectangles and place it here. So I have got this. Now I am going to lay this out on top of it, just giving them some sort of order. I will do this top one here. You can select these shapes in layer panels. So second one is next, green is next. Arrange it and that fourth one just kind of fill in the background. So I have got these 3. Now all I need to do is make them a compound path. For that, select them both, shape and rectangle and press Ctrl plus 8. Okay, I have got my pieces. Now I want to stack them on top of each other. So just keep playing with your layer order until you get something working. Okay, we will play later. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So get the 3D kind of effect. What we are going to do is have it selected all of them, and we are going to go the effects and apply stylize. After that select drop shadow. Now change the mode to normal and use black color. Set X offset to 7 pixels, Y offset to 7 pixels and blur 8 pixels. Set opacity to 60%. Okay, now another thing I like to do is I like it when it had a second drop shadow. For that again select effect, stylize, drop shadow. Okay, this time set X offset to 1 pixel, Y offset to 1 pixel, set blur to 2 pixels, opacity as similar 60%, and okay, make sure mode is normal. Okay, it's look like just kind of normal offset. Okay, let's go to appearance panel here. Select any layer and you can see there are two drop shadows. Now just select first one and drag down. Okay, do this for all layer. Select another layer, select first drop shadow and drag down. Okay, select third one, select drop shadow and drag down. Okay, all you need to do now to clip it inside the layer. Okay, so select all layers and drag and drop here. Make sure it's the back of the X. Okay, then select them all and then hit Ctrl plus 7 on your keyboard. And ta-da! Okay, now just play with your layers order until you get satisfied. Okay, I will bring orange one in front. Let's see what it will be look like. Oh, that's nice. I think green one is oh, okay, so that's cool. Okay, we will continue this tutorial in part 2. Till then, subscribe to my channel for amazing tutorials, hit like and write your favorite song in comment box. Thank you.